In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Snippets panel in Dreamweaver. If you've ever found yourself typing the same bits of code over and over, snippets can be a huge time saver. A snippet is simply a reusable block of code you can drop into your document exactly where you need it. Dreamweaver gives you a dedicated snippets panel so you can browse, organize, and insert these pieces quickly without breaking your flow. Let's start by opening the Snippets panel. In the top menu, go to Window, then choose Snippets. The panel will appear, and you'll notice it includes built-in folders like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, along with any custom folders or snippets you've created previously. This structure helps you keep things tidy, so you can find what you need fast. If you don't see the panel right away, it might be collapsed in your workspace. Just expand it, or drag it to dock where it's comfortable to use. You can also resize the panel to show more items at once, which is handy when you're working with a lot of snippets. Now, let's insert a snippet into your code. First, click in your code to place the cursor exactly where you want the snippet to appear. The insertion point matters because Dreamweaver will drop the code precisely at that location. For example, if you're using an HTML snippet, make sure your cursor is inside the correct part of your HTML document. For a CSS snippet, be in your style sheet or a style block. For JavaScript, place your cursor within a script tag or linked JS file. With your cursor set, head back to the Snippets panel and browse to the snippet you want. You can double-click the snippet name to insert it immediately, or click the Insert icon at the bottom of the panel. If you prefer, you can also right-click the snippet and choose Insert. As soon as you do, the code appears in your document at the cursor position, ready for you to customize. After insertion, scan the code for placeholders or values you need to adjust, like class names, IDs, or content text. If the snippet lands in the wrong spot, use Undo and reinsert after moving the cursor. Keeping your insertion point accurate is the key to clean, predictable results. Also, watch your indentation so the snippet matches the style of the surrounding code. Consistent formatting makes your files easier to read and maintain. That's all there is to it. Open the Snippets panel, position your cursor, select your snippet, and insert. With a little practice, snippets will speed up your workflow and keep your code consistent.